What's up, wonderful world of YouTube? Stay tuned, find out why the hell I'm wearing safety glasses. Okay, so here she is. My 2017 Alfa Romeo is toast. Wife hit a deer on it, so I bought this. It is a 97 K1500. It's got some rust and some body damage on it. Bam. Lots of rust. And a ratchet strap holding the gas tank in. So, since this is YouTube, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So, the box support beams are gone. They're rusted to crap. And we're going to do a little mini restoration on this thing. Because, well, this truck's just too cool to let sit in a junkyard. So I bought it. And I can't get the bolts on the box to break loose. So, well, that's what that's for. We're going to cut these bad boys. So at every, this has a body lift on it, so at every body lift post or bed bolt, we're going to cut them. And there's one there, there. So that one and that one, they're just supports. They're not actually bolted. And then we have two up front. So you have four on each side that hold it. So, and as you can see, my support for my spare tire is also trash. So we're going to go through and we're going to do some cutting, welding, and massive amounts of repair on this thing. So stay tuned, and not doing a whole lot this time, so I'm just going to work on getting this thing off. And I will be right back once I get these cut. Okay, so that didn't go nearly as well as I wanted it to. That sucks. Don't do it. But I have that one cut all the way. That back one's a pain in the ass to get to, so I cut the head off the bolt. And that one's going about like that. So we're getting there. But I just got a phone call and my kid wrecked my golf cart. So I'm gonna head and check on that. So till tomorrow, I guess. Or I get back and I work a little bit more on this, but we'll see how it goes. I will tell you, these, if you're doing this job or anything like this, the Diablo blade, it's everything. I actually have a 9-inch and 12-inch ones, and that's what I'm using to cut this. And then just your standard cut off blade or cut off disc. But I'm gonna go check on my golf cart. My wife is freaking out, so I'm gonna go check on that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and you'll see all the insane crap I'm gonna do with this thing, because we've got a lot of repairs to do in a short amount of time. It's gonna be quick, hopefully. Cross my fingers. I got a whole crap ton of parts coming, so it should be enjoyable. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, hate, I don't care. Bring it on, guys. Deuces.